ever going to challenge the first two who are together through turn 10. Oh my goodness me! Wagner at the very last moment with 2 to go comes through and takes the lead. Gresham Wagner exactly where, yes, goes purple in that sector, exactly where he lost the lead a few laps ago to the number 72 of Connor Zilisch. He has taken it back. The white flag is being waved by Connor on the starter stand, and we have a new leader, and it's Gresham Wagner for Spark Performance back to the front. And does he nick back the best lap time? He does. 1:24.466. He takes the BF Goodrich fastest lap of the race. He was right under the rear bumper of the leader. Came out at the last minute. It was decent defence, I have to say, by Connor Zilisch. Very, very fair defence as well, Shea Adam. They both could have ended up in a pile of parts there. Respectful but hard racing. This is exactly what we expect. And we're now just about a mile away from the checkered flag with Gresham Wagner leading it.
But how long is it going to be leading us on? Connor Zilisch comes right up underneath his bumper. He's now seeing that Gresham left him very little warning to pull out for that lead.
Defended by the leader. Wagner defends
brilliantly
into the middle of the circuit, but that's going to slow down on the exit. There's an overlap for a moment, and it looked like the second place car was going through. Connor Zilisch and Gresham Wagner, what brilliant entertainment. Just 2 cars at the head of the field here. We're so used to seeing it being close. Just coming through on the back corner, it's the bump and run from the Hickson driver. Right in the middle of 13 and 14 in the sprint to the line. Would Wagner come out to the right-hand side? He might still get the draft. He's side by side. There was a little bit of side drafting going on there. And across the line, Wagner's taking it back. Wagner. It was all very impressive indeed. Tony with the VP Racing Fuel checkered flag out. Side by side to the line. How close was it? I don't think it was even the width of a bumper. And the left hand of Gresham Wagner straight out and at the line. Oh my goodness, that's as close to a dead heat as we've seen.
Oh.
0.021.
Unofficially, because this is by my rudimentary arithmetic, we do have a new championship leader as far as this race is concerned. 930 points for Gresham Wagner.